Firstly, let me show you around. This is where our pieces started. We always create other designer sofa like bubble sofa, Togo sofa from all the start to finish. You can check that this is our very experienced masters. He will join each angles, size dimensions, and correctly to the original one. That is how we said we can make 100% as the real one being made. When it comes to the fabric cutting, we use both machines and handmade. Machines that can make it consist, precise and fast. But we will also use a handmade to do a correct for each angle that you can see why we always cut out craftsmanship work. Is that for leather cutting or fabric cutting, we'll make it very precise, make it handmade and correct to the original. Why we're confident to say that our products are craftsmanship and true to the quality. For every zipper, every sewing, and each area, we will made it by hands. And that is why it's truly shines, because we make it all correct to the quality and true to craftsmanship. And each sewing area are just so perfect for it. Right now, let's move on to the upholstery. This is where the fabric stretched and combined to the form and to the sofa. And now, let's take a Togo three-seater as an example. This is how we combine the fabric to the form. This is where our experienced master, what is he doing now? He is smoothing the wrinkles and the buttons and make his tension, make it smooth and make it just the same as the original one. And this is very important for a Togo sofa. As you know, the Togo is a whole form. So he needs to make the wrinkles exactly same as the original one and make it as comfortable as you can do. Well, let's move on to see what it's doing right now. As we all know that for the Togo sofa, it actually has 5 buttons and 6 ankles. And you can see that he is making the buttons right now. And it's all craftsmanship by hand. And it actually needs a very experienced master to do this. When all the craftsmanship process finished, here comes to the final step, that's cleaning and checking. As you can see that our experienced masters, they are cleaning all the finished so far, especially on the corners. So after checking all the things are perfect and we'll do the dust through, and now we're moving to the package. So here we will firstly use a dust bag to protect the Togo sofa. Now I want to show you about how strong of the boxes is. And you can see we're packing right now for the 3-seater Togo sofa. Here comes a very important step with a lot of things. So we need to guarantee that the box is safe, strong, and will safely arrive to your door. And we will have small pieces on the outside of the box. And besides, for better custom checking, we'll write a custom name and here this, and he's from Philippines, so it will better help our customer to do the custom checking and without opening the box. After saving package, we will do one more thing, is that with your sofa pieces, we will cut it down and we will stickers on the box so the customer will check in without opening your package. So this is a whole process of the Togo Sofa from the start to the finish. We are a factory that we only support the high standard, high quality, and to the best craftsmanship to the original. So thank you so much for watching and visiting our factory here. For the Togo Sofa, for everything you brought from indie furnitures, we are guaranteed from start to finish. We guarantee the best raw materials and the best craftsmanship with the best experiences. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And if you want to come to China to buy furniture, Andy will be always here with our best excitement and best service. And if you want to buy our furniture online, remember to contact us on website, WhatsApp, TikTok or YouTube. Thank you so much for watching my video today. See you next time. Bye bye.